Stop scrolling. This might be the easiest $500 a day method you'll see in 2026. Look at the screen. Does making $500 a day really require a 9 to 5 grind or complex coding? Most people are struggling, but what if I told you the laziest people are actually making the most money right now using a simple AI formula? Today, I'm showing you the exact blueprint to make money while you sleep. No inventory, no customer headaches, and no showing your face. But real quick, what is your monthly income goal for 2026? Is it $1,000? $5,000? Comment your exact number below. I'll reply to the first 50 people with a secret strategy. Now, let's get into it. In 2026, the game has changed. We're not doing dropshipping or cold calling anymore. We're using something called the lazy AI method. It's simple. You create a digital asset once and it pays you forever. Think of it like a digital vending machine. You set it up once, walk away, and it keeps generating income on autopilot. Let me show you the exact 3-step formula. Step 1, go to ChatGPT. But don't ask basic questions. Ask it to solve a real high-value problem. For example, write a complete 15-page beginner guide on AI-powered stock market investing. Within seconds, you get a full digital product. You didn't write anything, but now you own something people are willing to pay for. Most people will overcomplicate this, but this method can literally be set up in less than 30 minutes. Step 2, go to Canva. Search for ebook template. Copy and paste your AI content, add a clean design, maybe a few premium images, and export it as a PDF. That's it. In under 10 minutes, you now have a professional product that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to create. Now, step 3, this is where the money comes in. Upload your PDF to Gumroad and price it at $20. But how do you get traffic without spending money? This is where the lazy traffic machine comes in. YouTube Shorts and Pinterest. Take short stock clips from Pexels, add a simple caption like, "This $500 a day secret is in my bio," and post it. You only need one viral video, just one, and it can change everything. When your video hits thousands or even millions of views, a small percentage will click your link and buy your product. Now let's be realistic. Even if you only make 5 sales a day, that's still $100 per day from one simple product. Scale that to multiple products and you can see how people are hitting $500 a day. But here's the truth. 99% of people watching this will do absolutely nothing. They'll scroll to the next video and forget everything. But the 1% who take action today are the ones who will change their life in 2026. So here's my question for you. What is your income goal for next month? Comment it below, and I'll send a secret strategy to the first 50 people. And if you want more simple ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe to Money Spark. I'll see you in the next one.